What is the formula of limestone? MgCO3, CaCO3, CHCl3, H2SO4. Correct option is CaCO3. Which scientist published the periodic table? Newton, Mendel, Mendeleev, Rutherford. Correct option is Mendeleev. Balance the reaction. Al plus O2 gives Al2O, and the fourth option is 4Al plus 3O2 gives 2Al2O3. Second option, Al2 plus 4O2 gives 3Al2O4. Third option, Al plus 4O2 gives 2Al2O3. Fourth option, Al plus 4O3 gives 4Al2O4. And the correct answer is first, 4Al plus 3O2 gives 2Al2O3. Petroleum is an element, a polymer, a compound, or mixture. Answer is a mixture. What is the formula of magnesium carbonate? Al2O3, MgCO3, CuFeSO2, Fe2O. And the correct answer is MgCO3. Removal of oil and dirt from clothes by soap and detergent is due to hydrophobic group, hydrophobic and hydrophilic group, ionic group, or hydrophilic group. Correct answer is hydrophobic and hydrophilic group. A change of state from solid to gas is called fusion, fission, sublimation, evaporization. And the correct answer is sublimation. In periodic table, period 2 has following elements. 4 ऑप्शन आप देख रहे हैं. And the correct answer is boron, beryllium, oxygen, nitrogen, lithium, carbon, यानी कि ऑप्शन 2. Isotopes have same mass number and different atomic number, या same number of protons and electrons, या same number of electrons. Fourth option, same atomic number and different atomic mass. And the correct answer is fourth one, same atomic number and different atomic mass. Which of these is not a true fish? Jellyfish, flying fish, lionfish, sea fish. And the correct option is jellyfish. The color of methyl orange in acidic solution is red, yellow, orange, none of these. And the correct answer is yellow. The lightest gas is radon, argon, helium, या none of these. And the correct answer is helium. Neutron was discovered by Rutherford, Becquerel, Goldstein, या Chadwick. And the correct answer is Chadwick. The acid which is present in lemon, citric acid, ascorbic acid, tartaric acid, या फिर lactic acid. And the correct option is lactic acid. Image formed by plane mirror is real and erect, real and inverted, virtual and erect, virtual and inverted. And the correct answer is virtual and inverted. we can see different objects around us due to regular reflection, diffused reflection, dispersion या refraction. And the correct answer is refraction. In plants, autotrophic mode of nutrition requires sunlight, chlorophyll, CO2 and H2O या फिर all of these. And the correct answer is all of these. Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 gives BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. आपको बताना ये किस टाइप का रिएक्शन है. ऑप्शन है कंबसन रिएक्शन, कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन, डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन या डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. And the correct answer is double displacement reaction. Anther contains sepals, ovules, carpel या pollen grains. And the correct answer is pollen grains. Next, in sonar we use ultrasonic waves, infrasonic waves, radio waves, audible sound waves. And the correct answer is ultrasonic waves. तो ये था दोस्तों कुछ साइंस से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. मैं रेगुलरली अपडेट करते रहता हूँ इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन. तो अगर आप इस चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई तो लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए. तो चलिए मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.